What's up, traders? It's Friday, January 30th, 2015, and the bell just went off. Here we go. We're watching the S&P 500 futures. Now, after a rally yesterday, we're going to see what happens after this sell-off overnight in pre-market. Little pump up right on the open. What I'm waiting to look for is what happens right around here, around the POC. If we even make it up there. It got sold off pretty hard around this moving average. You know what this is? 60 moving average. Let's see. So yeah, it bounced right off the 13-day, which is the short indicator I like to look at. We'll see how much we can get back up. What did I just sell? NDX call spread. The Dow's getting hit pretty hard. Everything else is just bouncing around. Volatility futures not doing much. Check out the heat map. So Amazon, Google, Visa, MasterCard. That's about it in the green. Biogen. Pretty red open here. Let's take a look at the ticks. Ticks opened up low. Yeah, you can see the ticks opened up low. So I expect, to get at least a little bit of a pop here, and we're getting that now. To, at least put us up here around the zero line and get positive. Usually when the ticks open up this low, this is the S&P, this is the NASDAQ, you do get some upward action to normalize the ticks, and we are getting that right now. Take a look at the S&P 500 futures. Making a nice little run. See, right there at that line I was looking for. It's in the value area high too. Oh yeah, right there on that value area high. See, watch this price action, see what happens here. It's right at this 89 day too. So it looks like we're getting some good selling pressure up here at the value area high, which is matching up across the 5-minute, 30-minute, 2-hour, and daily charts with technical indicators. Here we go. We're getting a little shot up. Bulls are getting ballsy. What we got? on the bonds. Bonds are making a little run for it. Might have to look into selling some of those today. Let's go back to the ticks, see if they're normalizing. S&P got smacked down, damn. But yeah, you can see the NASDAQ ticks are starting to get back up in here. Once we hit an equilibrium in here, then I'll be looking for the day's trend. Bust out the volume profile, monkey bars. Just show you where we're at based on where we've been. It's got the Dow, the Russell, S&P, and the NASDAQ. No really signs of anything. I mean, the YM, the Dow put in a nice little bottom. But it's not really tapered nice. I don't know, we're pretty much just in the middle of a range. Can't really get a read on those unless you're at the top or bottom of a move. Alright, I'm going to stick my boy Brad from Shadow Trader on for a little bit. So, enjoy.
Regin, LinkedIn, price on and Netflix up. Panera, Goldman, IBM, ISRG, and Chipotle down. Although Chipotle, the world's most expensive burrito, it's only down 2 cents. Tesla's now flat. So overnight inventory, which was 99% net short. Obviously, we're fading here, balancing out the inventory. You know, big 19-point gap to the downside this morning. Come on, Deckers. Come on, dog. It's 69.94, 69.95. So there we go. There's we're almost up $2, folks. It's 70.54. 70.54. I'm going to take half off for $2. Good old Deckers. Give it to me, give it to me, give it to me one more time.
Okay, so not much going on there. Sounds like they're doing a trade in Deckers. Not really interested. So let's get back to this. Looks like right now we got the NASDAQ the strongest, making a run right at its value area high. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. Let's see if that's going to set up for a trade. Let's see if I like anything in here. So, what is this? On the 1 day, just outside the value area. Oh yeah, this is setting up nice for a little shorty short. Let's see. I'm gonna wait for these ticks to normalize though, because I can't really get a good feel until then. But it's the same stocks positive on the heat map. It's lit up red except for a couple bright green spots, which are Amazon, Biogen, IDEC, Visa. They're lighting up really green. So this is just the volume for just the last day, where the value is. Value area high, value area low. And right now we're outside the value area high. You can see we're building up a lot of volume in here, so this value area is going to probably move up, most likely. Now this is exactly what I expected because the ticks opened up so low. But you can see on the ticks, we're still negative. We just went 0, so we're just starting to normalize here. So once these ticks normalize out, we'll see what the tempo of the market is. Get a feel for the day. See if we want to put anything on for over the weekend. Let's go back. But I don't know. We'll see once these ticks normalize, but just in the middle of this range, probably not going to knock anything off unless I sell some calls and some puts. Let's get a nice theta play and play for some volatility contraction. Let's see what the NDX is looking like volatility wise. 53%. Alright, yeah, you can see, but not much downside. I'd like to get it a little more juiced up. You can see it's had some nice little juiced up areas. Check some S&Ps. Damn, that was slow. I see S&P's making a little run. Well, considering. You can see we're not even near where we closed yet, but... Ooh, strong. Yeah, check it. The ticks are going positive. Ooh, getting hammered right back down. NQ's getting hammered back down. Ooh. S&P's really taking it. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to keep this nicey tick up. There we go. So now we can get a nice little view. Let's see once these normalizes out. Alright guys, well I'll come back and update you later if anything shakes out. Thanks for watching. Happy trade.